Multiplex Diagnostics starts here. State-of-the-art manufacturing. Every spot, every detail, absolute precision. Ready for every lab, built for your workflow. Multiple diseases, pathogens in a single test. Microplate format, up to 96 detachable welds. Interchangeable reagents for all test types. Processing possible with ELISA analyzer. Seamless integration with LIS. Fully automated processing. Intuitive software for results interpretation. Maximum efficiency. From manufacturing to result, one effortless journey. Future belongs to Multiplex.
Biovendor Group, bridging science and diagnostics.